Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here for you my crispy fried chicken recipe. This portion of the video is sponsored by the Word of God. Today we'll be looking at Psalm 100 verse 2. It says, "Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing." I just want to encourage all of us today to serve the Lord with gladness. I know that sometimes when things are hard financially, when things are hard with your children, when things are hard in your marriage, it is hard to see the gladness. It is hard to come in the presence of the Lord singing. But the Lord has let us understand that he has overcome all our trouble that is in this world. So let us try, no matter what the issue may be, let us try to come in his presence with singing and to serve him. Do the things that he has called us to do with gladness. God bless you. So this recipe just requires a few ingredients. I have my chicken, which I season with salt, but you can add any season you want. And then in the next bowl, I have eggs. And then in the next bowl, I have pork rinds, which I blended and then added some Parmesan cheese. This is what makes the chicken very crispy. So you're first going to put your chicken in the egg, and then you put it in the pork rind and Parmesan mix. Make sure you coat it very well because that's how you get the crispiness. And then afterwards, I put mine in the air fryer for 12 minutes at 365 degrees. And then I put it in for 12 more minutes because I realized that it wasn't done. And then afterwards, I flipped the chicken and then put it in the air fryer for 12 more minutes. And then after that, it was done. It may be different temperatures with your air fryer, so you may have to check on that. You can also make this in the oven if you wish. It's a very simple and easy recipe. I made some steak bites to go with it, but you can pair it with whatever else that you want. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments if you do. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this channel with everyone you know, especially if you know someone living the low carb lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time. Bye.